Present for sale at 3 Pines Garage. Registration EA66PGV. Ford Transit Custom 2.0 TDCi 130 PS low roof D/cab limited van. It has done 106,000 miles, comes with 2 keys, and is a factory-fitted crew cab. The van comes with air conditioning, alloys, Bluetooth, cruise control, DAB radio, heated seats, a heated windscreen, and parking sensors. This stunning blue crew cab is in great condition inside and out and makes the perfect vehicle for a work crew. Benefiting from being a long wheelbase, there is plenty of room for tools and materials. A full MOT and full service are included in the sale. Part exchange is considered at trade value, finance options available, and warranty is included. There is no VAT. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or at 01885488188. Go to 3pinesgarage.co.uk now to find up to 100 crew vans, panel vans, and 9-seaters in stock. Open 7 days a week for viewing.